against women and children continue in Manipur even in these tough times of coronavirus pandemic. An exclusive report from Impact News Associate Editor JOYSHREE USHAM and camera person KABI.
Globally, 1 in 3 women experience intimate partner violence or non-partner sexual violence during their lifetime. Even in Manipur, various crimes against women and children like rape and murder, molestation, human trafficking, kidnapping, and domestic violence continue even today amid the coronavirus pandemic. Women Action for Development WAD, an NGO in Manipur which is committed to curb crime against women and children, has documented 165 various crimes against women and children till November 22nd this year. As per their report, maximum crimes as high as 35 occurred in the month of February, and prevalence of violence against women and children is highest in Imphal West district, where a total of 64 various crimes occurred. As per the 5th report of National Family Health Survey 2019-20, spousal, physical and sexual violence rate in Manipur is 39%, and teenage pregnancy rate in Manipur is rising compared to the previous years. Amid such rising prevalence of crimes, women and children in the state are feeling unsafe.
Nupasing isa sasalagana, lambida chatpada lagnaramba khoigi yamna thiba wangang akhoi isada hek tabada yamna hangkoi ba wangang da lagnaramba chu yam sauni nupasing sigi lisa hojik chathari badi sa siga hairati nungtang da nupi ata chasokpa chu kizai adagi akhoi na thaba ama chatpa matam da ko nupa ma yaudati isada hangkoi ba kizaba adu chu phawhal.
What could be the reasons for this increasing rate of unwanted incidents against women and children?
Nupi ju nupa ju moi gi nupi gi jaga samgi dress ki khujia da ju leire adu ko nupa gi ki kang ni cha cha ba ngausna ba jingi sigi da ju yam lei
phatta wakal chenba nupa ju lei adu gi sigi wakhan chalal ni nupi ju adi phiron ke ka da kha lei adu na masai.
Crime against women the COVID-19 period suki mati wangkhale eba chathok traba nupa mayam singsina magi thakna ba jana ba kai de no anyhow somehow pore eba drug mayam chali dana amai tawdana drug de gi yu de gi marang kaina phangi chasaluraga satan badi ngamdrabani na khoidou sawgapa mayam se nupi da tasalaga nupi mayam se phudare adigi rape tawra iba kai doriyo molestation mayam hengal eba
thazadaba mi haidare ko family members kumba adigi mamana bugumba adigi online da khangna ba social media da khangna ba sugumba mi sino wene so pinpoint to matam dadi koina psychological profiling say it's little hard.
Relevant authorities say they are trying their best to curb crimes against women and children in the state.
Crime against women say koi society da khwaidagi heinous oiba crime ni na koina lowi duga Supreme Court na sum se directions mayam ma pira kanda adigi law gi leizari ba koina implement tawni ba singsina akhoi gi yam chawng na nupi sing amasung angang sing gi damakta moi gi phanana ba gi damakta koina crime control tongnobagi damakta yam chawngna investigative unit crime against women in Imphal West na lepchari adugi mathakta khoina hojek tongana women helpline number 181 natraga child line gi number 1098 se siga collaborate torakanda any form of crime against women and children se thingnana bagi damakta khoi yam kanna hojek nazari.
Chief Minister Nongthumbam Biren has launched 24/7 police emergency number 112 and has opened an emergency response support system control room at 1st Manipur Rifles complex. The Chief Minister has also assured that modern DNA test machines will be procured and infrastructure of the forensic science laboratory at Pangai will be improved. Though various crimes have occurred, so far only 2 convicts of rape and murder cases have been sentenced death penalty. After 7 long years, the court on December 21st this year sentenced a life imprisonment to 2 convicts in the rape and murder of a junior research fellow at RIMS Pathology Department in April of 2013. Why such delay?
Drug carbato so pare adum khalaga tayana badum koi the hang to we put I am yauk the India sumba loam le ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯛꯇ ꯕꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯨꯗ ꯕꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯣꯔꯆꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯕꯣꯏꯔꯣꯀꯣ.
It is apparent that there is unwanted delay in police investigations and court proceedings. Is it because of lack of proper infrastructure and proper coordination among the relevant departments? Why the fast-track court set up to dissolve cases on time has been termed as slow-track court.
Hazik fast-track court se leire adu fast-track court se very slow-track court ogi type ta leire ba.
Manipur da hauji aikhoina thengneriba awabasi from the point of legal nupi angangi thodokka drug ki thodokani adubu drug ki thodokti Manipur sarkar na fast track court linkhatna regular court linkhatna khara makai safare law enforcing agency sing amadi masigi public prosecutor ga mathau kharadi tawre haibabu atopa aikoina thengneriba nupi angangi wathok sing sidi aikoi khara khit wat ibra haina khali.
Government has taken various initiatives to curb crime against women and children in the state. But without the relevant departments, proper coordination, proper infrastructure, and the public support and awareness, will this mission to curb crime against women and children be successful? With camera personnel KABI, this is JOYSHREE USHAM, Impact News, Imphal.